Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my lecturer and my friends. My name is Dani Prasetyo. My class number is 154 and from class 2A Economic Development International class. Okay, in here I want to share about my answer. The final exam for microeconomics for the number one. I want to explain about my answer uh, from the curve in above in here. We know that the plot thousand of dollars spent of styling on the vertical axis like this, and the thousand spent on gas mileage on the horizontal axis shown above like this. What about the genial? Genial on the left in here, the curve of genial, and this is the curve of Brian. For the genial on the left has in the indifference curve that are vertical. If the styling is if the styling is there, she will take it, but she otherwise doesn't not care about it, as her indifference curve move over to the right like this. It means she gains more gas mileage and more satisfaction, and uh, she have decision to will spend all the 20,000 on gas mileage at the point G in here. Okay, and the next is about for the Brian. On the right curve has indifferent curve that are L shapes. He will not spend more on just one feature than on the other feature, and he has the decision to he has decision will spend 10,000 on styling like this. For styling 10,000, and uh, and the gas is 10,000 too, and the gas mileage in 10,000 too. His optimal battle is at point B. Okay. And in here with the conclusion for this curve, for the genial, she will spend all the 20,000 on the gas mileage, and for the Brian, he will spend 10,000 on styling and 10,000 on the gas mileage. It's a different curve. Okay, the next question is number 2.A. I must to calculate the marginal and average product of labor for this product function, and my answer is for the E. For the formula, the average product of labor is APL is equal to Q per L for the output per labor, and the marginal products of labor MPL in here is equal to delta Q per delta labor. This is the change in output divided by the change in labor input. Okay, for this production process, we have in here for the labor 0, 0, not it doesn't it not have EPL and MPL, but in the for the labor one and the quantity the output is 10, is the APL 10 and MPL 10. How about to labor uh, point 2? If the worker or labor 2, the output is 18, and for the average product of labor is 9, we can put the quantity is the output is 18 divided by labor 2 is equal to 9, like this. And for the MPL is we can get from the change of output. The change of output is h, and we divided by the change of labor. 2 minus 1 is 1, so the marginal product of labor is x, and etc. like that. Okay, next, the point B answer. My answer, the question is, does this production function exhibit diminishing return to labor? Please explain. I think yes. This production process show diminishing return. This is due to the addition of worker when more than 5 workers are added, like that. When the labor force increase, the marginal product will be decreased, like that. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, minus 2, minus 3, like that. When we force to worker to increase, the marginal product will be decreased, like that. And for the marginal product of labor, the extra output products by each additional worker diminishing as workers are added, and this begins to happen in the second the start to occur in the second unit of labor, like that. Okay, we move on it, and the point C is about the question is, explain intuitively what might cause the marginal product of labor to become negative. And my answer is, for the labor negative for the negative marginal for the labor's negative marginal product for labor more than 5 might arise from congestion in the chair manufacture factory, since more labor are using the same fixed amount of capital. It is possible that they could get in each other way, decreasing efficiency and the amount of the output. Firms also have to control the quality of their output, and the high congestion of labor may product to produce products that are not of high enough quality to be over for sale, which can contribute to negative marginal products, like that. And for diminishing as workers are added, and is actually negative for the six and 7 worker, the marginal will be a negative, like that. Okay, thank you very much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.